how to place AdSense code on your website. When you're in your Google AdSense account, under Ads, Google AdSense will generate a specific code for you to place on your website. First, I'll show you how you can accomplish that. Let's say you're using WordPress. You can go to Theme File Editor, and usually it's header.php file that will contain the head portion of your website. As we can see, that's the website theme head portion. If you're not using WordPress, your website theme will show you where that code is. As in, find where that code is and simply place it afterwards. Let's imagine you're using Blogger. I'll show you that as well. Under themes, you can edit HTML of the Blogger theme that you're using. As you can see, that's the head portion for Blogger theme. And you just paste that code in there and then save changes. For WordPress, after you place the code, update the file. So that is how simple it is for you to add Google AdSense code to your website. Now, while here I'll show you a couple of settings that you may want to utilize. The site that is showcasing AdSense, under Ads, the latest features such as auto ads and auto optimize settings, you can turn them on by pressing the pencil icon and enable auto ads. Also, with your Google Ads, you can actually exclude certain important pages so that they don't show up Google AdSense ads, okay? So you can add exclusion. Let's imagine your contact page, perhaps you don't want to show ads there. Simply provide the URL for this page only or other sections. Also, the latest features gives you intent-driven formats still in beta stage. This will definitely be helpful for you to earn more revenue from Google AdSense. So what you want is you want to enable these advanced features. Google Ads settings allow you to include. Before I close up, do keep in mind, under privacy and messaging, you have one more setting that you may consider checking. And that is to add blocking recovery. You can manage it by creating a message. And what will happen is, if a website visitor is using a popular ad blocker, then Google AdSense will actually provide a message to them saying, you know what, your site depends on ads, so therefore for them to view the content, they need to enable ads to be displayed. So this is how you add Google AdSense to your website. For more useful insights, definitely visit Rank Your Blog.